Moses Creek Preserve, 2,042 acres. We just made our first end. We came up into a primitive camping area. I'll show you in just a sec. This is the closest one that I've seen so far. We've traveled about a mile, maybe a little over a mile. You can see the intercoastal and some flats. I caught some right out here in these two flats here. I caught a black tip shark last year, a couple of flounder in there. I think what else? Oh, some back up in here over that way. We caught some redfish, some small redfish that were undersized. They were not the legal size. Water's up high right now. It's high tide. All right, here we go. We'll walk back. So we gotta reverse our trail, and then we're gonna go one more stop, which is about another mile or so up, and then we'll go back. Make the shorter loop this time. Maybe next time we'll bring some bikes. The dead trees. Primitive camping area. So stop here for lunch. Move on to the next, go to the next place. Hello. Area for cooking. Primitive cooking. And they actually have water. I would assume the darker water. I'd recommend boiling it if I was going to use it. This is the primitive camping area, and there's actually a bathroom here, which sometimes you don't see. So, and I'll show you that right away from the primitive is, and I was wondering why they needed all these roads. So this kind of answers that. So we got floaters. So we do have a porta potty, which I assume they come out about once a week and clean, but they haven't cleaned the outside of it in a long time. But they clean the inside of it. Very thick underbrush. Again, Moses Creek Conservation Area, 2,042 acres off of 206, St. Johns County, State Road 206, last exit before you go down to the next county. The next stop, I believe there's a little, teeny little dock out there. A big old tree that fell over there. That's why I switched. That was.
Get out of the road, puppy. Get the road. There's a jogger coming.
So, no horses down this path. Bicycles only. Somebody left a reminder for them. Very nice. Wrong way. Oh, they even got one-way courses. Usually have maps, but all the maps are have been removed. People have used them. Wow, that's a huge pine tree. That one's 3 feet across, and it goes on forever. That's huge. That's got to be the biggest one so far. Like I said, 3 feet across. Yeah. Yeah, that tree's been here a very long time. Again, we're in Moses Creek Conservation Area, managed by St. John's Water Management. They bought it. 2,042 acres, 2 parking lots. Both of them are on 206. There's a Subway right down the road. We brought some Subway sandwiches. We're gonna have our lunch. Next stop. It floods right here when it rains. And they need this road to get to the portalets to clean them. They usually do a weekly cleaning. But the outside of the portalet hadn't been cleaned in years. It was growing green stuff all over it and moss. But the inside's supposed to be cleaned weekly. Pumped. Cleaned weekly. All right, like I said, Moses Creek Conservation Area, 2,042 acres, St. Johns County, owned by and managed by St. Johns Water Management District. It's a very environmentally sensitive area. It's one of the few creek areas that's not overloaded with houses and condos down here. 2,042 acres. It is January. It is 73 degrees today. Almost no humidity. Perfect. Yesterday, I think our high was 63. So for all those people up north that are watching this, fabulous place to come down for the winter. We recommend you buy a house, get a Florida driver's license, and stop paying income tax. Another bike trail right there. No income tax in the state of Florida for personal income. You can make all you want, no personal income tax for the state of Florida. Still got to pay it for the federal government. Not sure why anybody would ever pay double taxation or triple taxation. City, state, inheritance taxes, death taxes, annual taxes. Florida, you come down here, you're exempt from most of that, except for the federal income tax. Got to pay that one. Can't get around that. Also, our property taxes are significantly lower compared to the north. I always like to bring that up in my videos. We'd love to see you come down to Florida. If you don't want to live here, vacation, buy a second home, get a Florida driver's license. Avoid taxation.